Hello and welcome to Traders Union. This is Mirjan Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we will talk about after-hours trading and how you can take advantage of it. So, what is after-hours trading? It is the process of trading financial instruments, such as stocks or currencies, after the official close of market trading hours. The usual trading hours for the New York Stock Exchange are from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Trading outside these hours is considered after-hours trading. Why is this important? Many significant news and events that can impact the market often occur in the evening, after trading closes. Traders who participate in these sessions can be the first to react to the news and adjust their positions before the next trading day opens. After-hours trading has its advantages. You gain access to early market movements and can seize earning opportunities. However, it is important to remember the risks. Liquidity during this time is much lower, which can lead to wider spreads and challenges in order execution. This is why after-hours trading is more suitable for experienced traders who understand how to analyze the market and account for possible fluctuations. If you are a beginner, it is better to focus on preparation and use demo accounts to test your strategies. In conclusion, trading after the market closes is an interesting opportunity for those who want to broaden their horizons and leverage evening news to their advantage. The key is to remember the risks and trade responsibly. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share in the comments if you have tried after-hours trading and what your results were. See you next time on the Traders Union channel.